going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Parker, and today we are collecting from more of our vending machines. We have like 5 or 6 to hit up today. I still have to load up the truck. My room's a junkyard. I need a van. It's cold outside, hence the beanie and 2 jackets. It's 34 degrees out and like windy. This morning I actually had a location email me saying that they're low on product. It's only been a week, so I'm gonna check it out. Good news for me. So there's gonna be some money in the machines, and yeah, let's get on with the day. I've got a lot less product than I thought I did, so I'm definitely gonna have to go to Sam's Club. Pretty much all of it is boxes, so definitely gotta make a Sam's pit stop today. I wasn't even gonna run the route today, but then I got that email and I was like, alright, I guess I could. We'll see how the day goes, we'll see how much products I have. That's the good thing about running your own business, is you can decide when you want to work, when you don't want to work. So much nicer than what I used to do. I used to drive downtown Houston every single day, which is an hour drive there, hour drive back. And if you get stuck in traffic, it's like an hour. I waited 2 hours one time to get home because of traffic. There's like a wreck or something. That was terrible. Yeah, that's the good part about owning your own business. I just hate working for people. And I think that's why whenever this route presented itself, I jumped on it and I was so hyped because I knew it was gonna just jumpstart the whole vending business. I know people have asked me in the comments, is it better to buy a route or is it better to just go out and find your own locations? For me, I did when I very first started out, before I even bought candy machines. I bought a snack machine and I only had it about a month and I couldn't find a location for it. But also, that being said, I wasn't really trying that hard. I wasn't going out consistently and asking places if I could put my snack machine in. So I just sold that and then used that money along with some other reselling money to help me get into the bulk business, placed some bulk machines, saved up some more money, and then ultimately this route presented itself and then I bought the route. For me, buying the route was a good idea, and I prefer buying routes because of course they're already on location. That being said, don't buy a route for a ridiculous price. You gotta crunch the numbers, see if it works for you. The route that I bought was $25,000 for 35 machines on location and another like 20 extras just like in storage. It's a pretty good deal. I thought it was a pretty good deal at least. You guys have seen the collection videos from pretty much all the locations now. Some of them do pretty good, some of them are really bad. I'd say all in all it was a good investment, and I recommend buying routes. But of course, if none are available, you gotta go out, you gotta hustle, you gotta find them. And snack machine locations, soda machine locations are actually not that hard to get. I've actually posted ads on just the Facebook Marketplace, and I've gotten hits back of people wanting machines. So definitely, if there's no routes available in your area, you can go ahead and find your own, no problem, and it'll be way cheaper. Just thought I'd address that while I'm driving, and I'll see you guys either at Sam's or the first location. Alright, so I just left Sam's Club and I spent $116. I went to the crappy Sam's Club. Again, they didn't have Big Texas cinnamon rolls, or they didn't have the variety pack of candy with the Skittles, the M&Ms, the peanut M&Ms, and the Snickers. Which, like, what? I guess we'll make do with what we have. Alright, so I just left location number 1 and on to location number 2. Alright, that last location was actually the one that I got the email about. So it probably did about 40 or 50 bucks after a week, which is pretty good. That's normally a 2-week collection for me, but I guess they were hungry this week. So yeah, like I said, on to location 2 now. This one is about a week and a half collection, a week and a couple days. See how she does. Alright, so I didn't film in the last location, but location number 2 did probably like $30. On to location number 3. This is also a little over a week, so see how it does. Alright, here's what the last location I went to looked like. And then the one before it, they did about the same, honestly. So yeah, on to location number 4. So I'm just now leaving the 4th location, and this one always takes a little bit longer because it's upstairs. Alright, I forgot where I left off. My last battery died, but this location did way better than the last 2 weeks. Just while I was in there, I made $3 just while the machine was open, so that's a good sign. Let me show you guys what it looks like inside the bag. Pretty good, pretty good. Now we are on to location number 5, and this is also a 2-week collection. Alright, so another pretty good collection. Here's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go refill the machine. Alright, all the schools actually performed pretty good today. 5 locations, should be looking around 200s, 250s, maybe more. Solid. It is 2 o'clock, and yeah, that's all. I mean, that's all the locations I needed to hit up today. So I guess I'll see you guys back at the house. Alright, I had to go rescue some boxes in the back of my truck. They were flying all over the place. Oh my gosh, I was so scared. I was just waiting for a place to pull over. I don't know how they stayed in, honestly, but I looked back and they were like literally like floating in the back of my truck. And I was like, yeah, it's probably time to pull over and put them inside. Man, I need a van so bad. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's the next morning and I'm gonna count up all the money. Actually, I've already counted up all the money and everything's in quarter rolls and everything, so I'm just gonna give you guys the totals for today. And yeah, alright, so the first location we went to was the one that we got the call for, saying that they wanted the machine to be refilled. That was a 1-week collection and it made $46.50. Location number 2 was a week and a half collection. It made $30.85. Location number 3 was a week and a half collection as well, and it made $27.80. The 4th location, which was one that was a slow performer last 2 weeks, picked up a lot this week, and that was $46 flat. Last location for the day was the best one. It made $60.95 after 2 weeks. So that brings us to a total of 5 locations. We made $212.10 off 5 locations, which is really good. I'm happy with that. Definitely a pickup from the last few videos. And yeah, here's what the money looks like. I really got to go deposit the money in the bank, and I really want to do a video of explaining how much I make every week, every month, how much all my machines gross. If you guys want to see that video, hit the like button, let me know in the comments, and I'll make that video. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Hope everyone's having an amazing morning, night, day, whatever it is. Just keep grinding and keep moving forward. Peace.